Here's the fastest way to make clean sticker outlines in Procreate, using an updated method that works better than my old one. Let's get straight into it. Go to Layers and duplicate the image. Toggle off the top layer. Tap the layer underneath. Open the color wheel and select Pure White. Go back to Layers, tap the image thumbnail, and turn on Alpha Lock. Tap the thumbnail again and select Fill Layer. Tap the thumbnail once more and turn Alpha Lock off. Open Adjustments, select Gaussian Blur, and slide right to 10%, which you will see displayed up here. Tap the Selections tool and make sure that Automatic is selected, Add is on, Color Fill is enabled. The next step is important. When you slide your pen to 90%, which shows up here, make sure your pen stays inside the white area for this to work properly. Go back to Layers and toggle the top image layer back on. If this helped, subscribe for more fast Procreate tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.